Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Do you ever feel like a hamster going round and round in a wire cage? Seems like it never stops. We try to squeeze as many tasks as possible into an hour, a day. We're in some frantic race, not knowing just why or against whom we're racing. Hurrying diminishes our quality of life. We get in a hurry and forget where we left the car keys. We rush around in the morning and knock the peanut butter jar onto the floor. Your work suffers too. India scholar Eknath Easwaran says, "There is no joy in work which is hurried, which is done when we are at the mercy of pressures from outside, because such work is compulsive. All too often, hurry clouds judgment," he continues in his book called Words to Live By. More and more, to save time, he says, a person tends to think in terms of pat solutions and to take shortcuts and give uninspired performances. Plants would never give an uninspired performance. It's not their nature. A germinating lettuce seed, for example, is going to give its all to grow and become a beautiful head of succulent green leaves. And pansy flowers? They're not going to sprout and then give up. A plant will only fail to do its best when conditions force it to do otherwise. That's where we come in. Whether you tend a gaggle of indoor houseplants or start your own tomato seedlings, you are the caregiver. They depend on you to provide what they need to stay healthy. If, however, you get in a hurry doing other things and forget, for example, to water them, then guess what? Shriveled plants. Life for a plant and you doesn't have to be this way. And the solution is simple. Step off the treadmill, tackle things one at a time, forget multitasking. To quote Mr. Easwaran again, "It is often said that life in our modern world is so complicated, so busy, and so crowded that just to survive, we have to hurry. The Indian sage suggests that it is possible to do our work and attend to our duties without being oppressed by time. When we work free from the bondage of time," he says, "we do not make mistakes, we do not get tense, and the quality of our living improves." For the UpBeet Gardener, that's UpBeet with 2 E's, I'm Marion Owen in Kodiak, Alaska.